Hi friends, today we're going to have a lot of fun drawing a shark relaxing on a floaty. Ready to make a splash? Let's get started. Start by drawing one medium-sized circle near the top middle of your paper. This will be the shark's eye. Remember to leave a tiny white spot at the top of the eye to make it look shiny and full of life. Great job so far. Right below the eye, draw a curved line for the upper part of the shark's mouth. Now, along this line, add some sharp, triangular teeth. Make sure they are evenly spaced to give the shark its fierce smile. Next, draw another curved line below the upper one to complete the mouth. Add more sharp teeth along this lower line and color in the inside of the mouth to make it look deep and dark. Looking awesome! This shark is starting to take shape. Above the mouth, draw a tiny oval shape for the shark's nostril. Keep it simple, just a small detail to add more character. Starting from the mouth, draw a long, curvy line going up and around for the top of the shark's body. Keep going until you reach the first fin. Draw a triangle shape for the fin, and then continue the curvy line until you reach the second fin near the back. From there, keep going until you finish with the shark's tail. That's looking fantastic. Your shark is already making waves. To finish the shark's body, draw the main fin. Start by drawing a line going up from the body, then curve it down for the fin to show it's resting on the floaty. Now, go back to the mouth and draw a long, smooth line that connects all the way to the fin. You're doing great. Your shark is almost ready to relax. Near the mouth, draw the last fin. Add some small spots along the shark's body to give it the feeling of being on top of something. Let's give our shark something fun to float on. Under the shark's fin, draw a curved line to show the floaty's shape. Then, draw a wobbly, uneven line around it to show the floaty bouncing on the water. You're doing an amazing job. Make the floaty come alive by adding fun details. You can draw patterns, stripes, or even small decorations like stars or bubbles. Feel free to get creative and make it as fun as you like. And there you have it, your very own shark relaxing on a floaty. You did an amazing job from start to finish. I hope you had a blast drawing with me, and I can't wait to see you for our next drawing adventure. Keep creating and remember, every stroke makes your imagination come to life.